Let's go. Guys, we've got a project today that I'm super excited about. Came in this box. We've already unboxed it because just couldn't fucking wait. You can see it's empty. Gonna give you a sneak peek though. It's called Photowall.
Man, let me tell that motherfucker what he. Alright, let's take them to the bloody thing, man.
What thing?
Come on. Oh, well, no, it is. We've already opened it, man.
It's on the floor. I'll give you a sneak peek.
Show them what it is.
It's gonna spoil. That's it. That's it over there, lying on the floor. That's what it's gonna look like. The end product. It's basically a photo art. Guys, that's gonna go up here. We want to hang up a painting or something.
Yeah.
Just to give it. Always want to fucking do it.
So basically, we wanted to put up a big painting on the wall, but then we decided.
66,
but then we went online and decided to just
the lost highway, right?
go with the wallpaper.
We've gone with the black and white with the yellow road lines between. The yellow looks really nice, but I was scared because it's a wallpaper. I'm not sure how.
It was hard to decide, eh?
Yeah, it was very hard. Well, we've gone with the black and white with the yellow line, which matches with the white. So hopefully it's going to give it that immersive look.
Yeah, brother.
Fucking super excited. Let's go. They're already sitting over there.
Do you want to turn it around and show them, or I don't know, or maybe just?
So it came in 5 pieces. Photo wall art. If you want to freaking, what do they call it? When they pay you for it?
What?
When the brands pay you for it, what do they call it? So it came in 5 pieces, basically.
We'll just show you one.
We'll just show you one.
Fire out, freaking hell! Turn it around, man. There we go.
It's just one of the pieces goes full wall to wall, floor to ceiling.
Yeah, that's gonna go here.
Custom chop a few things, but I should be alright. So we're just gonna move the bike. I'll grab the tools. Got the ladder here already. Get started, man.
Let's do it.
Fingers crossed.
Let's do it.
Let's move the bike.
Alright, chat, so we've moved the bike from the area, and we're just gonna roll them. I just roll the mat. Move the mat, man. Move the mat away from the. No, it's here. Just leave it here. Just leave it here for now. And yeah, we're gonna prep the wall now, and then start applying the wallpaper.
Put up the wall, mock it up, pencil, whatever. Because it's a little bit out, a little bit longer, so we have to chop. Basically, mock it up, and then see how we're gonna start placing.
Yeah, boy.
Right, prep the wall, clean it up.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, so I'm just gonna examine the wall. As you can see, the corners are pretty dirty. Jesus, look at that corner. Bloody hell. Yep, so overall it looks pretty nice and clean. Nothing much to do, but we're just gonna wipe it down with a clean not carbon fiber, bloody, what do you call it? The fiber cloth. Just give it a nice clean, and then we're just gonna start applying the whole wallpaper to the wall. I don't know what the hell are these marks, because there's no red anywhere around this area. It's all white, but I think the lizard lost its virginity here. Look at it, fucking. Anyways, we're gonna clean that out. Make sure the wall is nice and clean before we start applying. Alright guys, so just to give you a little bit of an idea what we are working with. So we're just putting it on the wall just to see if it fits perfectly, and then afterwards we're going to start applying it. People, just to give you an update, we are halfway through. Bloody looks awesome, eh? Yeah, the measurement is a freaking big part in applying this. Apart from that, it's a pretty easy peasy job. Stay tuned for the final look. Alright, hey, just give them a rundown what we did.
It's done. Finish.
Finish!
Have a look, man. That's the end product. Full wall to wall.
There you go, guys. So this is the end product.
Came into a little bit issue of overlapping, but
Yeah, it is overlapping
we've got a
because,
switchboard here.
but you can't really see. It's pretty
Got a
nice.
switchboard, man. So we
Pretty
come
good.
around it.
Hey, freaking hell! Look at this. Time to time, you have to
Yeah, I told you the joints. The other one to keep.
go through them because it's just pasted. It's like a pasted material, so it can come off easily because it's pasted on a paint. But it doesn't matter. Time to time, we're gonna just go through it.
Well, that's it. That's it's come up pretty nice. Actually, you can't tell the joints as much. A little bit bubbles.
Bloody, it looks so nice, man. So realistic. Shout out to the Photowall guys
Where are they?
who sent us this. I don't know, man. Freaking somewhere in Europe. I thought it was Australian, but then
We'll show you in a bit after we park the bike in front of it. So the whole.
yeah, I'll
That's
show you the whole shebang.
That's a full wall. I hope it doesn't hide the road bulge in the bloody behind.
No, it looks good.
In the what?
Alright, let's put the bike in front of it. Trickle, we can put it after, man. Alright. Pasted the sticker on top of the board. And next thing you know, it short circuits and then the whole freaking thing goes on fire.
That's what the house insurance. Hey, can't put this much on top.
No, a little bit more.
Hello.
There you guys have it.
As it does it, it would have been too yellow. Yeah?
Yeah, no, black and white looks nice.
A little bit mild. Yeah. Perfect. At least that's one corner for it then. Now it belongs there. It's not like it's parked in the way.
have it, guys. Today was quite hectic because we had to install it, and of course, fucking idiot. And of course, yeah, it took a bit of a time. At least it took way more than what I expected. But yeah, the end result is really nice. And we'll catch you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and like. And
There's a trip coming soon.
there's a trip coming soon too. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's the wrap.
Let us know how you like the painting. Or
Yeah.
wall art or whatever.
We'll catch you in the next one.